Financial freedom, a phrase we all chase. But what if everything you've been told about wealth, saving, and investing is only the surface of a far darker truth? What if the real strategies aren't taught in books, schools, or mainstream media because they're considered forbidden knowledge? In the next few minutes, we'll explore secrets hidden in plain sight, strategies whispered among the elite, overlooked by the masses, and dismissed as impossible, until you see them for yourself. Before we begin, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell. These are truths you won't see anywhere else, and you'll want to know the moment they surface. Segment 1. The Surface Lies. Most people believe financial freedom comes from a simple formula. Work hard, save diligently, invest cautiously. But here's the first unsettling question. What if that formula isn't just flawed, but deliberately designed to keep you trapped? There's a theory, let's call it Theory Alpha, that the system is structured so most people can never break free. Every paycheck, every interest rate, every tax code. A subtle lock, designed to channel wealth upward while keeping the rest perpetually chasing it. Yet a second opposing theory, Theory Omega, suggests that financial freedom is always within reach, hidden in plain sight. The clues are scattered through patterns of spending, investment anomalies, and even psychological behavior, if only you notice them. Take a moment. Which theory feels closer to the truth? Type Alpha or Omega in the comments. Your instincts might reveal more than you think. This is the paradox. Both theories might be correct at the same time. Perhaps the system is designed to trap us, yet the clues to escape are cleverly disguised inside the very structures that hold us. Every rule, every market trend, every viral financial tip could be both a trap and a key, depending on who notices it. Watch closely, because the real secrets often hide in the things everyone else ignores. Segment 2. The Hidden Strategies. Now we move to the forbidden strategies, the kind of knowledge you won't see in mainstream books, blogs, or news outlets. Some whisper about asset rotation techniques, methods that manipulate timing across markets to create hidden leverage. Others speak of behavioral arbitrage, exploiting predictable human reactions to scarcity, hype, and fear, turning what feels like chaos into opportunity. These aren't tactics you'll find in a seminar or a personal finance book. They exist in whispers, in private networks, in the patterns of those who consistently outpace the system. Here's a thought experiment. Imagine a single decision made today that could silently compound into life-changing wealth tomorrow. Yet, because it's subtle, almost invisible, no one else notices or believes it possible. If this intrigues you, pause. Look around your current financial patterns. Could the clues be hiding in the mundane, the daily routines you've long ignored? Type clues in the comments if you think you've already seen them. And yet there's danger in seeking these secrets. Some paths lead not to freedom, but to greater entanglement. The knowledge is so subtle that a single misstep, a misunderstanding, can multiply risk instead of reward. That's why these strategies remain hidden, intentionally obscured. You might be ready, or you might be walking blind into a system far more complex than you realize. The question lingers. How much risk are you willing to embrace to uncover the truths others won't touch? Here's where it gets truly unsettling. Among the few who study these hidden paths, there is no consensus. One camp insists on controlled, incremental accumulation, careful and almost invisible. Another argues for aggressive disruption, radical moves that seem reckless but can break the invisible chains entirely. Which is correct? Perhaps both, perhaps neither. Consider this scenario. Two investors, same resources, same market conditions. One follows the incremental approach, steadily building wealth. The other takes the radical leap, risking everything in a single calculated strike. Both paths can succeed, or fail spectacularly. So, what's the hidden variable? Observation, timing, luck, or something else entirely? That's the question no one can answer definitively. Type incremental or disruptive in the comments. Then watch the reactions. You might find patterns emerging in real time, revealing insights hidden from even the most seasoned analysts. The deeper you dig, the stranger it becomes. Some of these strategies rely not on money itself, but on perception, on the way humans collectively assign value. Wealth isn't just numbers in an account. It's a reflection of belief, and beliefs are manipulable. The people who control perception can bend the system subtly, invisibly. Ask yourself, who truly controls the levers of reality? And what role do you play in the illusion? Financial freedom may be closer than you think, or further away than you dare imagine. Perhaps it's not about following instructions, or mastering formulas, or even beating the system. Perhaps it's about understanding the invisible rules that shape human behavior, and learning to operate in the cracks between them. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications. Secrets like these vanish from view quickly, and you'll want to be among the first to see the next revelation. But here's the final unsettling thought. Even if you discover the path, are you ready to walk it? The deeper truths aren't just about wealth. They challenge what you believe about reality itself. Perhaps the real question isn't how to achieve freedom, but why the knowledge exists at all. If these strategies are accessible, why aren't they mainstream? If they are so effective, why do the masses remain trapped? The answers are murky, hidden in a web of conflicting interests, secrecy, and human psychology. And here's the unsettling part. The deeper you look, the less clear it becomes. The only certainty is uncertainty itself. Only by questioning, experimenting, and observing can you begin to piece together the puzzle, and even then, the picture may never fully reveal itself. So we leave you with this. Which is more powerful, the incremental path or the disruptive leap? Are financial systems traps or opportunities waiting to be uncovered? Are we masters of our own fate or players in a game we barely understand? Type trap or opportunity or master versus player in the comments. Share your thoughts, challenge the ideas. Your interpretation may be more revealing than the strategies themselves. Subscribe, hit the bell, and join us, because the next secret we reveal could change everything you thought you knew about wealth and reality itself.